Andrea Salazar, and I'm here today with Riviera Maya Catamarans. We're here with Jason, who's the manager of the Paso Doble. He's going to tell us a little bit more about this catamaran.
Absolutely. Well, this is the Paso Doble. Welcome on board. This boat was registered and built in Antigua in '98, and it holds up to 50 people on board. It's really a great boat to go out and have a good time out in the ocean.
Excellent. How many people does this boat actually hold?
This boat holds up to 50 people in total.
Okay. Where are some of the places that you go to see?
Well, we sail out of Puerto Aventuras. We sail north to a bay called Ina. It's a great place to drop anchor and do our snorkeling. There's a family of turtles and stingrays that live in the bay. So it's really a great place to stop and also have lunch as well.
Super. And let's see. You guys are very eco-friendly from what I understand.
Absolutely. We use all biodegradable cleaning products and disposable plates and cups. We do our part for the environment.
Thank you so much for your time.
My pleasure.
And we look forward to seeing you soon.
Let's set sail.